Welcome back to our Next.js chatbot series. In this tutorial, we'll enhance our chatbot by adding image support. Users will now be able to attach images along with their messages, and the chatbot will process them accordingly. To enable image support, we'll need to update the UI to allow users to attach images, convert those images to base64 format for transmission, attach those images to the chat history, and send those images along with user messages to the chatbot. Before sending images in our chatbot, we need to convert them to base64 format. But what is base64? Base64 is a way to encode binary data like images into a text format. This allows images to be sent as part of text-based communications such as API requests. Base64 encoded images can be embedded directly in JSON or HTML without needing a separate file upload. Now let's implement this in page.js. To allow users to send images, we need to modify page.js. Here's what we're changing. We're adding input file handling for image selection. We use FileReader to convert images to base64. We modify submit messages to include images in messages. And we update the chat history to store image data alongside the text. So here's the modified code to do just that. Now that we've added image support, let's see it in action. I have the app loaded in my browser here. I'm going to attach an image. I'm going to select our blue sky profile pic, and I'm going to ask the chatbot, what does this image say? Send. And that's the output. In this tutorial, we used FileReader to convert images to base64, updated chat history to store images, and ensured the images are sent with user messages to the chatbot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.